Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Just a quick video again today. We're going to be working on getting my workflow set up in the next few videos. Workflow for LRGB processing. As you can see here, we've got just a single subframe for each of S2, O3, luminance, H alpha and H beta, and really going to be curious to see how all of this pans out. And this is M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy. I'm going to be using a few sources. Warren Keller's PixInsight book and Light Vortex Astronomy's tutorial pages, as well as a couple of videos I've watched from, say, like Chuck's Astrophotography and a few others. Astroforum, I believe, was one of them. And I'm just got some notes jotted down on a piece of paper over here, and want to try to get at least a baseline workflow going, and then I'll tweak it from there. It's not going to be like episode 51 where I'm going to go process by process, each one being a different chapter and video. I'm just going to go until I find a stopping point, upload that one, do another few modules as I learn them, and get my stuff together. And then as I go down the road, I will, once I have everything locked in, maybe I'll do something like I did on episode 51. But for now, I just need to get this workflow going. It's like you saw, I got M51, I got M81 ready and sitting there, and I'm getting data on M16 and the Pillars of Creation. So I really need to get something dialed in here, because I really don't want to screw up the pillars. So with that, I'm just going to end this right here, and yeah, I'm just going to end this right here for right now. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stick around for the outro. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you, clear skies. Remember to